In this video I'm going to show you guys how to move messages to general on Instagram very quick and easy. So if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, in order to move messages to general, you need to have a business account. And in order to get a business account, click on Edit Profile. And at the bottom, it will say in blue, like it says personal information settings, it will say move to a professional account. So it won't show that for me because I'm already a business account, but just click on that and then click on done at the top right corner. Now your account should be a business account. So just go to your home page and then go to the chats. And right here you have primary and general, as you can see. So just click on this chat, for example, right here. Then click on the top right corner. And where it says move to general, just click on move right here. It says move to general, as you can see. So now it's gone from primary. If you go to general, it is right here. And yeah, that's how you do that. And of course, to move it back, just go to the same page and click on where it says move to primary and just click on move again. And as you can see, this will move it back to primary. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.